Hi again, welcome back to Modeliks. In this video, you will learn how to calculate your value-added tax in Modeliks. Click the Add Tax button. Value-added tax and sales tax are consumption taxes. Most countries would have regulation for one of the two. In the United States, there is sales tax, and no VAT. In Europe, there is VAT, but no sales tax. In some countries, like Australia or Canada, there is a third type of consumption tax, called Goods and Services Tax, or GST. The mechanics of GST are similar to VAT. Let's create a value-added tax line for your business. Enter the name, Value-Added Tax. Enter your tax rate. In many countries, the VAT is 20%, let's go with that for now. Value-added tax is a bit more complex than sales tax, because the tax is calculated both on the products and services a company sells, the so-called output VAT, and on the products and services the company buys, the so-called input VAT. The input VAT is deducted from the output VAT in order to calculate the total VAT payable by the business. In addition, different products have different tax rates. So, if you have created revenue and cost streams for different products, you can enter the VAT tax rate on a revenue and cost level. As an example, basic food products could have a lower tax rate than luxury products. If you expect your tax rate to change over time, select Yes, and you can enter different tax rates for different periods. In most cases, tax rates don't change often, so we will keep it as single input. Select how often you pay your tax obligations to your government. This can be monthly, quarterly, semi-annually, or annually, based on the regulation in your country. We will select quarterly. Click Next, and your value-added tax calculation is done. You can see how much tax has accrued every month and how much tax you will need to pay to the government and when. The accrued tax and the paid tax would always be different numbers. The accrued tax is calculated every month as a tax obligation. When you actually pay this tax obligation, depends on the payment frequency. There are separate videos explaining how to add income tax and sales tax in Modeliks. You can find them in the Taxes section.